I didn't know window tint goes on the outside.
No, Jason, it's good. Jason.
I think there's a beard hair in it.
No. What's up, dude? I'm just letting you know, if it comes dirty, we're doing it, all right? Because you haven't tinted in how long?
Here it is, my brand new Tesla Model 3. First thing we gotta do is get some window tint on this thing. All right, what are we thinking?
Me? 5.
5?
You know me, I like 5% all the way around, so.
With the big windows on top, it seems like there's a lot of light that goes through.
There's gonna be a lot of light coming in through here, especially with the white seats.
Well, I wanna do the windshield too, so let's do 20.
Okay.
Let's do 20 all the way around. And then
55.
55 on the front.
Okay.
You don't think that's gonna be too dark on the front?
That's too light.
Too light?
Too light.
What are we using? And I want, what film?
XR Plus. Gotta get top of the line.
All right.
No sunroof?
No sunroof. I think it'd be weird to do the sunroof, wouldn't it?
Why would it be weird? You're doing the backs. It matches. It's gonna like, you see how these two match right here?
Yeah.
So like if you put a tint of 20 on top, this is gonna be darker than this.
Well, how about we do this? How about we skip the sunroof for right now, just because I want to see what it looks like, because I can always add it later, right?
Yeah.
Let's just do that. All right. Do you want me to help?
What's up, dude? I'm just letting you know, if it comes dirty, we're doing it, all right? Because you haven't tinted in how long?
I don't know. Last year at the training class. So I actually wanted to do 5%, but we don't carry 5% in the roll that we need to do the back window, because we have to carry a special roll, which is a 60-inch roll, to fit this back window because it's so big. So we're just gonna go with 20%. It's probably more sensible to go with 20% anyways.
No, it's not. I still agree with 5%.
What do you think, Oscar? We can get this done in like 45 minutes?
Yeah. I say probably 30.
30 minutes?
Yeah.
But you got here me messing things up.
Oh, nah, then about 2 hours.
It's not dark enough.
You got it, or?
Yeah, I thought you know.
I can see right through it. All right, the first step to getting a good window tint is making sure that we have a clean window. So we're doing our initial clean here. We're actually using a razor blade to scrape anything that may be on the window and clean it. And then after we actually do the initial cleaning, we'll do another cleaning before we actually install the window tint. So that's the most important thing. You don't want any debris in between the window and the window tint. You'll see little dots and it won't look pretty. And we want it to be perfect.
Make sure Jason cleaned the windows, okay? Because he hasn't done this in a while, bro. Make sure it's clean.
Talking shit over there?
No.
This film is thick. It's pretty thick.
We can't, you know how Lumar on the back windows on these, we could pull on it? Remember we used to use we can't do that
Really?
on this one. You can, but not as much as the other film we used to use before.
All right, we're shrinking because every window has a little bit of curvature. And if you want to think about like trying to gift wrap a basketball, it's round, you're gonna get all these creases and stuff if you don't shrink it, so that's what we're doing here. This film is shrinkable, so it's going to conform to this window. And you can see these big fingers that are popping out. If we didn't do this, you could see them. You see a lot of back windows that weren't done properly. You can see all these fingers in the back, and it just looks like a spider web almost.
This is half shrunk. It's supposed to look like that side right there.
Oh no.
No.
I messed up.
Wait, XPEL?
Tends to kind of... No, you're good.
I'm good?
Do the second mold and it'll go away. Just heat it up good.
I feel like there's all kinds of creases when I'm doing this. Look at that one.
That one is, but once you lift it up and you do the second, you could get away with it.
You want me to leave it or just heat it more?
Can you do a second mold?
I already did.
Yeah. Well, see if you can put a little air and then just heat it up.
I don't know.
We do it. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's a little crease.
I'll print out another one. So whenever you're shrinking it to get the pattern of the window, sometimes you just crease it or didn't shrink it right, it's done. You gotta redo it. Once you crease it, it's not like paint protection film or vinyl. You heat it up and it'll flatten out, but with tint, once it's creased, it's there. It's done.
Well, that's much better. I'm used to working on my knees. You ready to put the back window in?
No, you gotta clean it and cut it.
Shit, we're so good at this. We should start a business.
So I'm gonna just cut you guys see the access on there? I'm gonna cut all that around so it'll be just like the window.
Shaking a bit.
Hey, well, yeah.
You nervous?
Yeah, a little bit.
You're gonna have to do that to mine. I don't have those skills. I'm gonna put the rope in. This rope here will prevent any water from going down into the dash in between the windshield and the dash here. Obviously you don't want to get any electronics wet. So we put this soak shield rope right there. All right, what do you want me to do?
Nothing?
Nothing?
I mean, if you want to help me spray the...
Lift up the liner?
Yeah. And then just spray it.
Oh no!
You're good.
I don't want to, I'm scared.
You're good. Look, I rip it. You're good. There you go. Now just hold it. I'm holding it to put it in its place.
That's a tight squeeze in there, huh?
Yeah. And then we'll go down.
Okay.
Plug it in.
It's in. I keep on wanting to stick things in my mouth. Like all these tools.
Yeah, that's what I do.
But I'm trying not to because of COVID, you know? Like,
Well, nobody has touched that besides your, yeah.
what?
Nobody has, those are brand new. The one you got is brand new.
Well, I don't want to give you guys my COVID. I feel like I'm gonna f this up here.
How much y'all want to bet he's about to crease it right there?
I am not. You think I'm going to? Mm-hmm. What?
You overshrunk it. It's curved like this. He's a little bit, he got it. I hope so. Like all that, just pull it with your hand, Jason. What? All that, just push it with your hand. Push it? Yeah, like all this. Like all this, you can push it already all down. Like push it with your card down. They're gonna crease it.
I know, I'm just being careful. It's been a long time. I'm just looking at everybody on the white seats, thinking maybe I should have done that first, protected the seats first before I did anything.
Well, I think that's a little bit too late for that now.
It'll be all right. I know a good detailer.
Yeah? What's his name?
Oscar.
No, Jason, it's good. Jason.
I think there's a beard hair in it.
No, that's yours.
No, it's all good.
Is there hair?
No.
Oh, I'm about to say, I could take it out.
We got the little pocket windows and that's it, huh?
All right, I'm gonna shave the window. So you guys remember we have a little extra on the window. So we make it look like it's a factory tint instead of a gap on the sides all over. So by you shaving it, it makes it look perfect.
There it is. What do you think? I think it looks so much better. Oh, it looks good. We got lots more to do to this thing, so make sure you're subscribed. We got to wrap it. We're going to put some PPF on it. I have some new wheels coming. I'm thinking about lowering it down a little bit. We got to do the inside. We got to protect these white leather seats. Whew, it's a lot of work. Thanks for watching. See you next time.